Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have the last of my Craftibly pre-orders, and this is the one that will surprise some of you. Yeah, so remember the toolkits are now being just put into the box with your painting, not in the tube. They're getting ready to offer no toolkit, so if you don't want a toolkit, they just won't put one in the box, so it's going to be a little easier for them. Okay, so here's the basic kit. Comes with your 4 placers. There's a 5 or 7 placer in there. Squishy, tweezers, wax, all that stuff is in there to diamond paint. Then all the good fun stuff that they have put into their tool kits come in their nice bag. You'll get a Craftibly potted wax with their name on it. You'll get 2 random washi tapes. These are very pretty washi tapes. They're both floral in pinks. Very nice, very pretty. Nice washi tape. And you'll get your cover minder, and oh my goodness, okay. This is one of the more elusive cover minders, I will say that. And I have had a couple friends kindly send me one. Now I have a couple of them. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see what it is. You know what it is, right? If I can get the thing open. Come on. How do we open it? I can't open it. I got some weird extra piece of plastic on here and it's causing me grief. Come on. It's like, it's all sealed up in here. I can't open it. I literally can't open it. It's the cloud. It's the cloud. I'm going to work on it. See, I got this weird tabby thing here. And it's like, I don't know. It's not letting me open up the thing. You guys, seriously. Okay, if I get it open by the end, I'll take him out and I'll show him to you, but I just can't get it to open. Okay. All right, there's that. All right, I have one of the pretty aqua tubes this time, and it has Craftibly diamond painting embossed on the end of it. This telescopes, it can open bigger, it can go smaller. You got a nice strap. I love this color. Love this color, right? All right, do you want to see what it is? Here's our tag. I'll just show you. This is the surprise one. This is the one that you'll be like, Mindy? Yeah, I got a Jasmine Beckett, Angel of Starlight. It's round, 24 inches by 32 inches. It's a good one. It's a big size one too. Okay, I liked her. She's happy looking. Let me just put it that way. Sometimes, I don't know, the Jasmine Becketts either look sad, they look like they have tears in their eyes, something, I don't know. But this one, she looks kind of happy and cute. I like her. All right, let's open it up and we'll see what we have. I'm filming this. You won't see it today, of course, but I'm filming this on the day that Craftibly is putting out new pre-orders. Yes, like 50 some new pre-orders. I don't know how many I've seen already, but they're supposed to be around 50. There's a bunch. They have really diversified what they're doing. They've got some images there that are like really unique, okay? New artists and everything. So I hope, since I'm recording this on the day they're coming out, you'll have gone and purchased and pre-ordered. So they have their nice soft back canvas and poured glue. I'm going to roll it backwards. Don't forget that I am a Craftibly affiliate, right? And you can use my code on orders over $50, and that would be Mindy15. Come on, I can't get it to roll. Would save you 15% off your order of $50 or more. And they're going to have a bunch of stuff to order. Okay? All right, you just sit over here for a minute. Here is the drills. We'll move those over there for now. Here's your information sheet, how to diamond paint, and everything that comes in your kit. All right, all the new things that come in the kit. Here is the newest, latest, and greatest sticker sheet with the smaller stickers and your log book sticker here and your just for fun stickers. All of the information about your kit is on here as well. Start and end date for your kit and your individual peel off labels where you can kit up. 68 colors on that bad boy. 68. Whoa. Our ABs are listed at the end. We have 1, 2, 3 ABs, and since this is a round, we get a rhinestone. Looks like it's a blue rhinestone. white AB, a yellow AB, and I have no idea what color AB that's going to be. No clue. Mint? I don't know. But there's all of your symbols. There they are. There's all your stickers. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay? All right, you ready to see her? Are you ready to see her? First of all, before we go too far, let's show you the drill field. Let's zoom you right in here and get you up close and personal. Look how clear it is. Nice. I like it. I like it. I'm thinking the Y is an AB. Is the Y an AB? I think it is. That yellow? Yep, it is. So you see the Y's speckled up there in the sky? It's an AB. All the Y's right there in her, is that her hair? What is that? I think it's her hair. Okay, look at her. Oh my goodness. I told you she was big. Whoa, look how big she is. She is a large girl. Oof, and she is starry and okay, there she is. There she be. Look at her. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. See, now she looks kind of happy. Doesn't she look happy to you? I mean, she doesn't look like she's sad or crying or anything. And she just has these stars everywhere. Down here is the information. She's an angel of Starlight. There's her information down here at the bottom. There you go. And look at her like leggings, her striped leggings. And she's got a laced like bodice here. Isn't she pretty? Look at these wings. Look at the wings. Oh my gosh. And over there, very feathery. They're very feathery and light looking. That's what I liked about it. And the colors are beautiful. Pinks, blues, and purples. I think she's going to be just gorgeous. You have a legend here with all of your DMC codes and your symbols. And there's a legend over there with a thumbnail picture. See, we have a picture here, right? Love it, right? Thicker plastic on here. Sticky glue. Just love her. She is so cute. Look at her blushy cheeks here and her little pouty mouth, her little lips. Isn't she cute? I like her. I like her. Her hair just kind of goes, you know, tendrils coming down here and there. And then those wings. Wow. She's definitely an angel of Starlight, right? She's very pretty. I like her. All right, let's look at some of the drills. I don't know if I'll take them all out, but they come bagged. This is probably changing in the future. They're probably going to go to the machine strips, which I'm disappointed in because I really like these because I can just slap my labels right on the bags and I don't have to open them up and pour them in anything. So I'm sad that this is probably going away, but anyhow, look at all the pretty colors. And right on the front, there's our information, our picture, all that is right here. Okay. All right, let's zoom you back in now. Okay, let's zoom you back in. Let's find ABs, rhinestones, and then we'll look for them on our canvas. Just because this color's right here and it's gorgeous. Look at it. Isn't that a beautiful yellow? That is beautiful. Oh, it's going to probably be in all those stars, right? Oh, man. Here's some of the blues for the background. Get the pretty color for the background. That'll be nice, right? Just gorgeous colors. What's this? What's this? That is a dark blue, isn't it? Number 35. It's 823. We're going to have a lot of dark blue background. Do we have 310? Yeah, we do have some 310 as well. All right. Is this our 310? Let's see. Nope, that's more blue. That's another blue. What's that one? That one is 336. So you get an idea what our backgrounds are going to be. Okay, the dark blue. Very nice. Very, very nice. This is our black. Yeah, this is our black. We got a good amount of black as well. All right, so we got some dark colors going on for sure. But then we have all of these pretty, pretty pinks. Like, look at that one. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. What else? We got some more pinks here. Beautiful pink, rosy colors. Love those. All right. And then down here, ooh, down here, I'm just going to take out this whole little end down here because this is where all the pretty, here's where all the pretty stuff happens. Look, pink, purple, blue, 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 light blue, pretty blue. Those are all the pretty colors happen, right? Pretty colors happened. All right, now we got our ABs and our rhinestone. So here they are. Okay, interesting. So let's go backwards. 68 is our rhinestone. Look at it. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous rhinestone. I love that color. Beautiful. All right. Then we have a pale yellow. Okay. That's the one I didn't know what it would be. Looked like it could have been mint or something, but it's just a pale yellow. Then we have white AB. And then we have a deeper yellow AB. So here's our special fun stuff right here. 2 yellows, a white, and that beautiful teal. Love those colors. Aren't they going to be pretty on this? Okay. All right, let's put those back in there. And let's see if we can figure out where some of these go. Sorry. Still the remains of the cold, you know? So, oh, and now the dog's going to bark. Shh. The rhinestone is the hourglass. And it is this light, hey, shh. It is this light blue that you see right here. Hey, shh. Hang on just a second. I think she's done. Let's not talk about it. Okay, I think the dog has calmed down now. Okay, so we were talking about where the rhinestones and the ABs are. So this brighter blue is the rhinestone. So I'm just trying to show you. Here and here is the rhinestone. Like right up in here is the rhinestone. Some are in her eyes. And there were some dots over there. All right. Now, the other 3 colors, the 2 yellows and the white, tend to go together often in the stars. So the O is the white, and then it fades out to the lighter yellow, and then you'll get a little of the darker yellow. That happens on most of the stars. Like this one has the light yellow and the dark yellow, but not the white. The larger ones get white, light yellow, and a little dark yellow. Okay, so that's like what happens with most of the stars. The dark yellow is also speckled. So like these little dots down here at the bottom, those are the dark yellow, all right? And they're just kind of spattered around. They're spattered over here, down here. And when we first opened it up, we saw that there are some spattered up at the top as well. Just little specks of the dark yellow, all right? So besides the stars, which have lots of times 3 colors, sometimes 2 of the colors, we have more white. And the white is kind of, there's a little bit in her wings here. So here's a little bit, here, just little patches of the white, and some here, all right? Some here, and then in her hair. So in her wisps of hair here, we'll get white AB. Some on her cheeks, her nose, her eyes. Again, in the stars, that's where the white ABs will go. So oftentimes the 2 yellows and the white go together, and then we have some white in the wings and her hair, and the yellow, dark yellow, is kind of the speckles. What do you think? What do you think? Isn't it beautiful? It really is a beautiful, beautiful piece. She's huge. She's going to take some time, but she's very, very pretty. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite is at Craftibly these days. What have you seen popping up on Instagram that you had to go buy, that you just really had to put in that cart and go purchase it right away, you know? Anyhow, great job. Great, great job. I'm excited by this one. I like her. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting Craftibly and me and everything that we do to bring diamond painting to you. All right? All right. Hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day and happy diamond painting.